As the boat finally reaches the end of the ride, Max examines the communicator. It's blinking with a message. Proceed to Haunted Mansion for further instructions. 99. The Haunted Mansion? That's our next stop. But Max, you're dripping wet. We need to dry you off first. Max, shivering, no time, 99. A good agent never lets a little water stop him. Sneezes, although, a hot chocolate might be nice. Scene 4. Tomorrowland detour and meeting Walt Disney. On their way to the Haunted Mansion, the trio passes through Tomorrowland, where Max gets distracted by the Space Mountain ride. The line is short, and Max's eyes light up. Max, 99, we've got a few minutes before we tackle the Haunted Mansion. How about a quick ride on Space Mountain? It'll be a great way to dry off. 99, hesitant, Max, we're on a mission. We don't have time for rides. Hymie, analyzing, my sensors indicate that the centrifugal force of Space Mountain could dry Agent Smart's clothing at a rate of 87% efficiency. I recommend proceeding. 99, sighing, fine. But let's make it quick. As they approach the Space Mountain entrance, Max notices a distinguished man in a suit, sketching on a notepad while observing the futuristic architecture of Tomorrowland. It's none other than Walt Disney himself. In this fictional timeline, Walt is still alive and visiting the park. Max, ever the curious agent, can't resist approaching him. Max, adjusting his soggy sun hat, excuse me, sir, but you look awfully familiar. Are you? Snaps his fingers, Walt Disney? Walt Disney, smiling warmly, why yes I am. And you are? Max, Maxwell Smart, secret agent. Lowers his voice, I'm here on a top-secret mission to save your park from the evil forces of KAOS. Would you believe they're tampering with your animatronics? Walt, chuckling, a secret agent, huh? Well, I've seen a lot of magic in my time, but that's a new one. I did notice something strange with the Pirates of the Caribbean ride earlier. You say KAOS is behind it? 99, stepping in, yes, Mr. Disney. We're working to stop them before they ruin Disneyland's magic. We're heading to the Haunted Mansion next to track down their agent. Walt, nodding thoughtfully, the Haunted Mansion, eh? That's one of my favorite attractions. Be careful, those ghosts can be tricky, even without KAOS meddling. Pauses, say, would you like a tip? If you're looking for someone suspicious, keep an eye on the cast members. KAOS might have an inside man. Max, beaming, a tip from Walt Disney himself. 99, we're practically part of the Disney family now. To Walt, how about a quick ride on Space Mountain with us? It'll dry me off, and you can see your creation in action. Walt, laughing, I appreciate the offer, but I've got some sketches to finish. Besides, I've ridden Space Mountain plenty of times in my dreams. Good luck, Agent Smart. They board Space Mountain, and as the roller coaster rockets through the dark, Max's screams echo through the ride. Hymie remains completely stoic, W.